Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. In last couple of videos, I talked about 10 most important questions that are being asked these days in F1 visa interviews. So in this video, I would like to talk about another 5 questions. They're not as difficult as the previous 10 questions, but still they're being asked, so it is good to prepare. So the first question that I would like to talk about in this video is, why can't you work for a couple of years and then plan for your masters? This sounds tricky, but it is very easy to answer if you go prepared. Talk about the advanced knowledge that you will learn from this master's course. Also talk about the specific skill set that is important for you to learn before you actually start working. Also talk about the kind of impact this master's will have on your future work experience, the kind of advantages that you have, and how this course makes you stand out from the competition. There's no specific way of giving information. It is all about what is being logical to you. So next question that is being asked these days is, what are the course subjects that you'll choose in the first year of masters? So this is an easy question if you look at your course content, if you do that basic research. Talk about 3 or 4 important subjects that are from your master's course. You don't have to talk in detail about each subject, just name them, that is absolutely fine. Another question that you might face is about your previous education, whether it is what did you do in undergraduation, what is your CGPA, what's your field of study in undergraduation. So you just talk about what you did, whether it is computer science engineering or electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, or a business studies. So just talk about whatever undergraduation that you've completed, and also talk about the link between your undergraduation and the master's course that you're going for. That's enough. You might also be asked about undergraduation projects, so just go prepared. You can just talk about 2-3 sentences, that's absolutely fine. Next, very few cases where they are asking about technical questions. For example, if you are from a computer science background, so they might ask you to talk about artificial intelligence. So you don't have to talk about like 5-6 sentences. 2 sentences or 3 sentences would be absolutely fine. Whatever is your background, just be prepared to take some technical questions. Last question in this video that I'm going to talk about is, how did you find this university? This question is very simple, but do not falter. Do not give information like, I got to know from my senior, I got to know from my agent. No, you can just say that I have done a lot of research about the universities online. I found so and so university. I've shortlisted these 3 universities or 4 universities. Out of these 3 universities or 4 universities, this university is my first preference because of its course curriculum or unique course content, whatever. So just mention that you did your own research to finalize subjects, courses, universities, etc. Don't say that you relied on anybody, because this is going to be the most important decision related to your further education, right? So that's all about the questions. Most importantly, I just want to reiterate, do your own research. It is extremely important. When you spend a little time, at least 30 minutes on every question, finding out your major reasons behind choosing the university, choosing the course, choosing the syllabus, or any other questions like your undergraduation project, your funding. No question is difficult. They are not going to ask you to talk about Elon Musk or NASA or anything that is not related to you, not related to your further education plans or previous education that you've completed. So ensure that you spend time preparing. Do not copy answers. This is one mistake a lot of students do. It is helpful to watch some of the videos, read visa interview experiences, but it is for you to understand what are the kind of questions that are being asked. So don't listen to the answer from them. Don't read the answer, or don't listen to any of the YouTube channels to find out what others are talking about or what answers the others are giving. It's not going to help you, because the visa officers, as I said in all my videos, they're not ready to listen to generic information. They want to understand what you think, what you prefer, what you feel. So it is very easy if you understand that aspect. Hope you understand everything that I talked in the last 3 videos. If you feel it is helpful to you, please like my videos. Also share it with the students that are preparing for visa interviews. It might be helpful to them. And also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you.